How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today I'm going to go to the store, pick up some food because I'll be preparing a dish called Jambalaya. But I'm going to go and pick it up, get all my ingredients, and kind of do a how-to video on my way of making Jambalaya. So stick with me if you're interested in seeing how the dish is made. And with that said, are you hungry? Because I sure am. Help! It's Cajun Day. It's Cajun Day. Okay, we're here at the store. Let's go.
Oh, nice. Yeah, but I want.
Alright, so just got back from the store a few minutes ago, and I have kind of the whole outside setup station already prepped, so I'm going to go get started here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the vegetables. So we have here something called the Holy Trinity, or the Trinity. It's celery, green bell peppers, and onions, okay? So we're just gonna cut this up here. 6-7 stalks of celery. Just dump it into this basket here. 2 more of these celery sticks. Green bell peppers is what I have here. Right over here. I bought 2, so I'll probably end up using 2. I'm just going to chop up this onion here. Kind of a large onion. I'll probably just use about half of this big giant onion here. Alright, so I went ahead and I had washed the vegetables. Washed them, gave them a good rinse. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to add I have the pan heated up right now with some oil. I'm going to add the chicken inside there. And looks like these are already cut. Let's chop it up a little bit more. So that was my mistake. I thought these came already chopped, but they're kind of still chunky. And we don't want that in Jambalaya. Alright, so I just got done cutting up the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and take this chicken and put it inside the pot now. I have it cooking here, about medium heat. Okay. And as that cooks, I'm gonna go ahead and get the sausages prepped here. These are beef smoked sausages, not big chunks, just nice. Just like that. Again, this entire version of me cooking is kind of my take on jambalaya. Others may have different styles, but this is my take. I need to wash my hands. Be right back. Got these here cooking. You give it a stir. Alright, so we'll let that sit for a minute, okay? Close the lid. Come right back to it. Alright, I need to add the Trinity now. Pop that open. Gotta add the Trinity in here. So, start putting that in here. Alright, put it all in there. Alright, stir it up to the bottom. What you gotta do is let it sit, cover it up, and turn the heat up a little more, and we'll come right back to it. I'm gonna grab my seasoning. So next thing I want to do is get this garlic here prepared here. Yeah, I didn't want to cook the garlic in the beginning because garlic burns. You don't want it to burn. I love garlic. I can eat this grilled as well by itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing open here. Alright. Okay. So now, let's take a look at our food here. Yeah, oh wow, check that out. You see that? That's nice and bubbly. So I'm gonna add the diced tomatoes inside of here. Just like that. Alright. Toss this. And then garlic. Just pop that garlic in there. Boom. Just like that. And then knife aside. Because everything else is stirring and adding the spices. I'm going to apply some chicken broth. Broth in there. 1 can of chicken broth should be good. I bought 2 cans. I think 1 can is sufficient for this pot. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. There you go. And you can see that. There, should be good. Move it along here. Just add the water in here. I have here long grain rice. And I'm going to add, what is it, 2 cups of rice. Okay, then give it another stir. And I'm gonna turn the heat up a little more, about medium heat. So I forgot to show you guys what I added. So I added some bay leaves on there. Place it inside here. You can see the bay leaves right here, kind of about 4 leaves. I also added the Creole seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more Creole seasoning. Alright, as well as some Cajun seasoning. So I'm adding some Cajun seasoning as well. There we go, some Cajun seasoning. Alright, I want to give that a good mix. I won't be able to navigate the bay leaves later on because I was planning on taking them out, but that's okay. If you end up with the bay leaf in your mouth, spit it out or eat it. Alright, mix that up. Oh wow, this smells wonderful. You kind of want to add the seasoning, the Cajun seasoning and the Creole seasoning kind of in the beginning when you had just the meat already stir-fried in there. Most people would do it at that time. I just kind of forgot, but that's okay because other people like to add it later on or add a little more depending on their taste. So I'll let that sit there, put that lid back on, and we'll come right back to it. Alright, hey guys, food's still cooking here. I just want to go ahead before we do the unveiling. Too much of a shadow on my face. Alright, better. I just want to go ahead and do real quick before I do the unveiling, just a kind of a request. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you find the time to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And everything I do, as you can see here, I'm still a small YouTube channel, still trying to grow. But I do this because it's definitely a passion of mine. Fooding, the food culture, just going to different places to eat and review just the different foods out there, and it's really exciting. But yeah, with your help, with your subscription and your likes and your feedback, definitely your feedback, comment on my videos, whatever you think that I can do that you'd like to see. Feel free to drop a comment there and I'll for sure respond to you. Jambalaya is still cooking, and we're gonna do the unveiling in a few minutes here, okay? Cool. Okay, well I think the jambalaya has been cooked already. So I'm gonna just pop this open here, take a look at it. Alright, yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that rice. did expand, but it didn't go over the pot, which I'm glad it didn't. I'm gonna try a bite here. Hot, hot. Ooh, hot good. That's delicious. Wow. That was really good. Yeah, excellent. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of my how to make jambalaya video, my way. And you can definitely use different variations however you want to add your style to it. Like, you know, a lot of people add the shrimp. This is particularly just a sausage and chicken jambalaya. But you get the shrimp, you could put as much spice as you want. You could even add jalapenos if you wanted to too. So with that said, I want to go ahead and end this video here. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. As I mentioned earlier, greatly appreciated. With that said, peace out, one love. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more future food video updates. Okay, bye.